Welcome back to the road. Today we're visiting the captivating town of Cassel, France, a place perched high above the Flanders plain where history meets horizon. With its winding cobblestone streets, Flemish facades, and sweeping views that seem to stretch forever, Cassel isn't just a beautiful village, it's a living tapestry of time. It may be small, but Cassel has long played a big role, strategically placed and fiercely fought over. This town has witnessed ancient civilizations, bloody battles, and cultural transformations. From the Celts to the Romans, from medieval counts to Napoleonic soldiers, Cassel has seen them all. Our first stop is the Église Catholique Collégiale, a church as grand in spirit as it is in stone, dating back to the 11th century. This church has stood through wars, reformations, and rebirths. It was originally built in Romanesque style, then expanded with Gothic flourishes that echo in its towering arches and stained glass. Inside, a quiet reverence fills the air. In the dim light, history feels tangible here, like you can almost hear the whispers of monks and pilgrims who once passed through. From here, we walk up to one of Cassel's most iconic sites, the Moulin de Cassel, or Cassel Windmill. Sitting proudly on Mount Cassel, this windmill isn't just a symbol of the town, it's a symbol of its endurance. The current mill dates back to the 18th century, but mills have stood here since the Middle Ages, catching the wind and turning grain into sustenance. More than just a machine, it's a monument to tradition. From the top, the view is nothing short of breathtaking. On clear days, you can see all the way to Belgium. The wind brushes your face, carrying with it stories from the past. Napoleon himself stood here once, planning battles with a commander's eye. And here we are, standing in the same spot, soaking in the same horizon. Now we move on to our last stop, the Musée de Flandre. Hosted in a 16th century mansion that blends Flemish elegance with French charm. Inside, the museum brings together centuries of Flemish art, from intricate altarpieces to modern installations. It's not just a collection of objects, it's a dialogue between past and present. The exhibits explore themes of identity, power, and tradition, with an eye always on the rich cultural landscape of French Flanders. One room might transport you to a pastoral scene filled with music and mischief, while another confronts you with the weight of war and resistance. It is a deeply human space, one that invites you to reflect on who we are and where we come from. I hope you enjoyed this visit to Cassel, France. Cassel is a place that doesn't shout its importance. Its beauty is in the details, in the rhythm of history beneath your feet, in the wind across the hill, in the art that hangs between centuries. Places like Cassel ask us to look close, to pause, to listen for what's been left behind, and to wonder what we will leave behind ourselves. Maybe that's what travel is really about, not just seeing new places, but seeing through them and seeing through time into the stories that shaped us and the ones we're still writing today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.